Here, I will show you how to change the photo settings on both a Samsung Z Fold 5 and an iPhone 15 Plus from the high-efficiency photo file extension, which isn't compatible with many software and apps to the widely used JPEG format. I will then show you how to convert the high-efficiency format files to JPEG files using Adobe Lightroom. First, let's look at the Samsung Z Fold 5.
So this video is going to be about how to convert the high efficiency photos that you have taken with your phone. In this case, I'm using the Samsung Z Fold 5, and it's saving them as HEIC picture files, and how to convert that to a JPEG. So where is that setting? So if I'm under camera settings, I'm going to go down to advanced picture options. And you can see I have high efficiency pictures selected. Save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format. Some apps and websites don't support that, so I advise you not to use it, so I'll turn it off.
Now let's look at the iPhone 15 Plus. We are on my iPhone 15 Plus, and we want to locate where we change the settings from high efficiency photos to regular JPEG. Select under Settings and go to Camera. Then select Formats. You will notice High Efficiency is selected. I want you to go and select Most Compatible so it saves the photo files as .jpeg and not the high efficiency that can't be read on many software applications. Now that we know how to fix the settings on the iPhone 15 Plus and Samsung Z Fold 5, let's solve the problem of converting the high-efficiency photo extension to a JPEG. This can be easily done in a few steps using Adobe Lightroom.
Okay everyone, so we captured photos, high efficiency photos in both an Apple iPhone 15 Plus as well as on a Samsung Z Fold 5. But we can't use those files on any laptop or app, so we want to convert them from a high efficiency photo to a .jpg, a JPEG that we can easily readily use and on any app or imaging software. So I'm going to do that using Adobe Lightroom. That's where I found it to be most easiest and straightforward. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit Add Photos. I have a folder in which I have saved. It's called Test. And these are the details. These are the HEIC files. And they were taken, like I said, some with an iPhone, some with the Samsung. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in all these photos, all right, and review for import. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add 14 photos, and keep in mind this is the HEIC format, so it's going to bring that in. I'm not actually going to edit them or change any looks of it like I normally would do with Adobe Lightroom. What I'm here to show you is how to convert them by importing them and exporting them. It's a very simple process. And let's click there. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to mess with these, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these photos. All right, just like that. Many ways to do this, but I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Export. And we are going to select these general settings that I have set previously. The image type, we could export it as a TIF, all these other things, the original and settings. Let's just do JPEG, full size, 100%, all metadata. All right, we're not going to go crazy, change anything up. And you can see the photos are selected here. I'm simply going to go to hit Export 14 photos, and it's going to ask me where would I like to do that. And since let's just export it to, well, where we imported it from, so we can show you what we have. So this is under Test, Select, let it do its magic, as you can see up here, exporting, and we'll show you the finished product, what it did, and go from there. But this has been the easiest way to convert the high efficiency photos for me. Let's go ahead and go up to here. I want to go to my test, which is where I saved it to, And let's go to view so we can view the details and the file types. And what do you see? Well, exactly, you see the HEIC file type, and there's 14 of them, and then you see the JPEG file type. All right, and we have 14 of those. So basically we have a carbon copy, just a different file type. Now we can go ahead and open it in many other applications that we weren't able to before. File and open. Let's go here and test, and you can see it reads a JPEG. Okay, so if we try to open the high efficiency, it says could not complete your request because it's not the right kind of document. All right, but if we go ahead, we can go to the same file. We have JPEG, and what do you know? We didn't lose any image quality, nothing. We have done it and done it quickly and did it easily. Please give me a follow, subscribe if this helped you, and again, this was using Adobe Lightroom.